Alright, what's up guys? Simon from Brainy-Bits.com. I'm back in the workshop, and this is the slider that I use to do B-rolls on my channel, like panning on products and stuff like that. It's pretty good. You have the weight here, it helps. The big problem is that it's very hard to keep a constant speed when you're going very slow, to have those slow moving shots. So what I want to do today, I want to modify this slider to add a stepper motor right here that I can control the speed and direction. It will make this a lot better. So let's go do that.